This is how you're going to add an image into your Base44 app. So in order for us to do this, we are going to use the chat feature into our Base44. So for example, we're going to chat. We want to add an image. So for example, we are going to look for an image on Unsplash. So we're just Base44 actually just accepts the images that are linked, or like when you send it a URL. So we're just going to use this image. For example, we want to Base44 to use this. I'm going to copy the link address of the image. I'm going to head back to Base44 editor, and then from here I'm just going to paste the image right here, and then I'm going to ask Base44 to add this to my app anywhere. And then I'm going to hit on enter, and then we're just going to wait for it to finish thinking. It's going to start planning the next steps, and it's going to think where it can add the image so that it looks better. So you can see, it will add an Unsplash browse button to help you find property images easily. So what you're going to do next is you're just going to wait for Base44 to finally finish editing, just like how it does when adding several functions into your website. And as you can see here, once it's done editing, we're going to see the load preview option, and that's it. You just basically have to wait for this to be finished, and as you can see, it has been, the Unsplash browse link in the property forms image URL field has been added. So we're just going to check that. You can just scroll down, and then you'll be able to find all of the images right here already. And that's it. That is how you can add an image into your Base44 app. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.